Okay, today is January 23rd, 2024. I'm here at apartment 1406, and there's something here that you guys need to see, which is why I'm doing this video. I'm gonna step inside first. Now, you've got concrete, you got drywall here, you got concrete here, is maybe about half an inch thick here. This is solid concrete, and this is where the window used to be attached directly to, right? Was there a buck here?
Yeah, there was a small buck.
Okay, there's a small buck. So, but the buck had something solid to get to. This is solid concrete. Now on the other side, now again, we're just gonna look at the sides of the window now. The sides, what we call the jambs. Okay, then we'll go on to the sill and the header. So right now we said that was solid concrete. Now we come here. I've done muchacho, no barran. We've got something extremely weird here, where we've got a couple of inches of block here, and then we've got solid concrete, and we tore this out so you can see what's going on here. This is very strange. So you've got this piece of wood that's here, that's sandwiched between this 4 inches of solid concrete with this foam in here, and about 3 inches of block. Now, the weirdest thing about this is that this piece of wood goes inside behind this concrete. So I wanted to check out what was there, and we chipped out. So this goes back about 5 inches into here. So this piece of wood is just behind this solid concrete wall. I don't know how the other window, the previous window was able to attach here, because there used to be a buck here, and when the window would get attached to this, it would go directly into this wood and into this buck that used to be here. Now this is a remnant of the tap cons that were used to attach the window to, but somebody just kept it there. Now, what happens with this is that, how do you make this thing solid or even semi-solid to allow this window to be attached to? Right now, this needs to be designed, or somebody needs to come up with something. And if there's something going to happen here, it's got to be some sort of wet trade, and how we originally envisioned this to have a solid piece of wood, a solid concrete here, so this to attach to. Now, the distance we have right now to solid, let's assume for right now that we don't even have this problem, that we have a solid here, from here, this solid, to that solid over there is 130 inches. Now, I don't know what size the window is. What size is the window? 128. So there's
the original size of the window.
That's the actual size of the window. So there's an inch. The size that you took out of the window was 128?
Yeah, the one that...
And you just match the size?
Yep.
Okay, so right now what we're looking at is that there's an inch difference here and an inch different over there. Now, this is something we need to look at. Now, we were talking about just about the sides, about the jambs. And you see the problem that we're having. Now comes another problem. Now we're going to talk about the header and the sill, right? The header's not a problem. The header's not a problem. Why? Because you automatically have solid concrete, which is basically slab. So right here, there's really no problem at all. And it's the same way all around the rest of the building, where all the windows are attached directly to the bottom slab. Again, no problem at all. The problem that we're looking at here is that you have to have something structural to attach the window down to the sill. Now you can see where we chipped out the marble sill, and right now there's about you've got about 4 inches of solid concrete that's laid. So you have a block, you have block. The block comes up to here, and from here on up, you have solid concrete that was poured in here. Now the thing is that we chipped into here to see if there was any steel running this way inside this this block here. So we have to get with the window guys to make sure that indeed you can attach the new window to this bottom sill that's there already. So in a lot of cases we need to talk to the window guy to see if there needs to be, according to the NOA, there needs to be some sort of reinforcing steel. But right now there's no reinforcing steel here, and we don't think that in the other places there's reinforcing steel in the sill. Juan, is there any reinforcing steel that what you've seen so far? There's no reinforcing steel.
No, this is basically no reinforcing steel. This is the existing condition that the building has.
Right.